Hey everyone, welcome back to Edgeverse, where we dive deep into the wild world of AI and tech. Today, we're tackling something that's keeping a lot of experts up at night, the AI black box. You know, those super smart systems that make life-changing decisions but won't tell us how they got there? Imagine trusting a machine with your job application or even your life in a self-driving car, but having no clue why it says yes or no. Scary, right? Stick around because we're unraveling this mystery, why it's a crisis, and how we're fighting back. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. First off, let's rewind a bit. AI didn't start out as this mysterious enigma. Back in the 1950s to 80s, we had expert systems, role-based programs where humans hard-coded if-then rules. Like, if a patient has a fever and a stiff neck, it might be meningitis. Super transparent. You could trace every step. These were white boxes, everything out in the open. But then came machine learning in the late 80s. Instead of us telling the AI what to do, it learned from data. Simple stuff like linear regression was easy to understand. Decision trees were like flowcharts. But as we chased better accuracy, things got complicated. Random forests bundled hundreds of trees, harder to grasp. Fast forward to the 2010s deep learning boom. Neural networks with billions of parameters, inspired by the brain, are great at image recognition or language processing. But here's the rub, they're black boxes. Why? Massive scale, nonlinear math, and they learn abstract features we can't understand. We traded explainability for power. Now, we're in a crisis where AI predicts amazingly but explains zilch. So, what exactly is a black box? It's like a magic box. Input goes in, output comes out, but the middle is a total mystery. In real life, think loan approvals. You plug in your info, income, credit score, and bam, denied. But why? A black box might base it on some wild correlation, like your shopping habits, without telling you. Or medical scans. AI spots cancer with 99% accuracy, but is it seeing a tumor or just a shadow? Without knowing, doctors can't fully trust it. Would you board a plane if the pilot said, "The AI says we're good, but I have no idea why"? This opacity isn't just annoying, it's dangerous. Let's talk ethics first. AI learns from data, and if that data is biased, it amplifies it. Remember Amazon's hiring tool in 2018? Trained on old resumes, it dinged anything women's because historically, more men got hired. Not programmed to be sexist, but it learned it. Scrapped, but imagine the damage if it wasn't caught. Worse in criminal justice. Compass software predicts recidivism for bail or parole. ProPublica found it was twice as likely to falsely label black defendants high risk, while underestimating white ones. Black box means no one can audit why. Defendants can't challenge it. This perpetuates inequality at scale. Then there's accountability. Who do you blame when AI screws up? In a self-driving Uber crash in 2018, the AI saw a pedestrian but couldn't classify her right. No emergency brake. Lives lost, but tracing blame? Engineer? Data? Manufacturer? Black box creates a vacuum. No root cause, no lessons learned. Safety's huge too. Flash crash 2010. AI traders caused the Dow to drop 1,000 points in minutes. Unpredictable interactions, and we couldn't explain it fast enough. In healthcare or finance, these failures can cascade. The point? Black boxes turn correlation into decisions without causation. AI might link organic yogurt buyers to good credit, not because yogurt makes you responsible, but some socioeconomic shortcut. Flawed, unfair, and hidden. Okay, so how do we crack this? Enter Explainable AI, or XAI, tools to peek inside. Most are post hoc. Slap them on after the model's built. Take Lime. Local interpretable model-agnostic explanations. For one prediction, like classifying an image as a wolf, it tweaks the image, hides patches, and sees what changes the output. Then fits a simple model to explain locally. Hey, the snout and ears mattered most. Visual, intuitive, works on any model. But it's approximate, might miss the big picture, like if the AI is really keying on snow, not the wolf. Then SHP, Shapley Additive Explanations. From game theory, fairly credits each feature's contribution. For heart disease prediction, it says high blood pressure added 20% to the risk. Math fact, consistent, great for local or global views. Downside, computationally heavy and not always newbie friendly. Visuals help too. Saliency maps highlight key pixels in images, where the AI looked. Attention maps in text show which words mattered for, say, translation. But these aren't perfect. They show correlations, not why the model learned that way. Different tools might contradict each other. And explanations can be gamed to hide biases. Plus, for huge models, they're still overwhelming. XA is a start, but we need more. Looking ahead, let's build glass boxes interpretable from day one. No trade-off needed. Use GMs, capture complexity, but show each feature's impact clearly. Or case-based reasoning. This tumor looks malignant because it notches these past cases. Researchers like Cynthia Rudin say in high-stakes areas, we can match black box accuracy without the mystery. Regulations are pushing this. EU's AI Act. High-risk systems must be transparent, document everything, trace decisions. US NIST framework. Manage risks with explainability baked in. This forces companies to prioritize it or face fines. And trust? That's key. Explanations let users get feedback, why your loan was denied, how to fix it. Doctors verify AI calls. Society audits for fairness. Without it, AI stays scared. With it, it's a partner. Now, let's analyze deeper. Is the accuracy versus explainability trade-off real? Not always. For tabular data in finance or health, glass boxes perform just fine. For images, yeah, it's tougher. But redefined performance include fairness, debuggability. A 99% accurate, but biased model sucks holistically. XAI gives rationalizations, not true understanding. AI is statistical, not causal. It patterns, doesn't know. So explanations are limited. We need human AI teams. AI suggests humans decide with explanations. Broader, boost AI literacy so everyone asks tough questions. Audit systems regularly. Create ways to contest AI decisions. This is multidisciplinary, tech, policy, ethics. Wrapping up, the black box crisis is huge but solvable. We've gone from transparent rules to opaque powerhouses, risking ethics, safety, trust. XAI tools help, but glass boxes and regs are the future. We need literacy, collaboration, accountability. What do you think? Ever dealt with a weird AI decision? Drop in the comments, should all AI be explainable? Smash like if this opened your eyes, subscribe for more AI deep dives, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. Let's build a transparent future together. See you next time.